Gotcha. People, look on the screen here, so. This is Cheapside Main Road, close to Junction, in my parish of St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. A teen has lost his life again in a horrific motorcycle crash, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to talk about this because about time we kind of look into these. I don't understand how the man them right so hard I am. Yeah, this is just breaking, ladies and gentlemen. It's just breaking. St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. A motorcyclist died as a report resulting of sustaining, in a crash. The injuries he succumbed from are horrific. It's in Cheapside, a place close to Junction, St. Elizabeth. This occurred Thursday. Now, the police named this deceased as a young baby boy, 17-year-old Shaquille McLean, a resident of Cheapside. A police report said about 9:30 a.m. McLean was riding on a motorcycle. I don't know how much drive it, but I guess ride a motorcycle on the main road when he collided with a Honda Fit motorcar. The police said that the driver of the motorcar was exiting, on the main road. McLean, a male with a male pillion, were reportedly flung from the motor vehicle on the impact. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. 2 female occupants of the car were also brought to the hospital. A police source said that St. Elizabeth Road recorded 26 road fatalities from 24 crashes since the start of the year. A deceased family has not yet been found. This is comparing to, last year they're saying that it decreased. So that means the St. Best man them drive and ride hard. For the past 2 months, St. Elizabeth, in September and October, St. Elizabeth recorded 1 road fatality. So it seems like close to the Christmas time, them turn it up. The source argued that motorcycles are not being cautious and they should travel cautious, especially on the national road, even as the festivity seasons approach fast. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something we see all the time. They use them ride too hard for the yang. Me don't know if I chew it name junker, them think a flight for fly. I don't go pan it. You are gonna take, and my daddy tell me, say, it's not if you gonna fall off, it's when. And the bike like for that show in front of people. Especially, I probably gaze him to the gaze pan the girl them where I drive the car. And now look where I go. Cause of him and him bridging a road, so them are thinking of their head. See 2 gal there? Now realize that them will run up in the car. Ladies and gentlemen, it appears here the road and the youths them out there war. Enough time I see them sit down at the bar. A jinky whites hard. Then jump on the bike and ride it harder. Cause I guess because they think they drunk them not gonna feel nothing. Well, this year one you not gonna feel nothing no more. In Japan. Me sorry, condolences, but no need for ride better. No too show off out there. No are gonna get holy like a holy sweater. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. My condolences to Shaquille McLean family. R.I.P. youth. I'm saying the good die young, but guess what? You're there on the bike and have too much fun. Listen, people, it better you walk and be safe than for run pan somebody bike and a race. You are gonna take more life and more joy and more happiness, family and friends. Subscribe, like, and share. Like that. For what?